Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to watch content on A to Z Movie Box app. So if you find the video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. Now this is on Hisense Smart TV, how to watch the A to Z movie application on Hisense Smart TV. So the first you need to do is make sure the application is installed to your Hisense Smart TV. As you can see, here's it over here. If it's not installed, then what you have to do is you go over to your app store, and this is going to be the same on any Hisense Smart TV. So once you cover here, here's the application in the featured, but if you don't find it there, you can cover here and search, just type in A to Z, and you're going to get the application over here. So here's it over here, just launch it and it's going to launch since it's already installed to a Hisense Smart TV. So once you launch, you are going to watch a lot of content here. As you can see, there is live content and there is whatever content you want to watch. You can just browse through it and you can go ahead and watch. Now you can go back to settings to see if you need to create an account or not, or look at your favorites or some stuff like that. But here's the application and you can watch whatever you want to watch on it here. So that's it about this video. Like, subscribe, share for more important videos like this.